Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Ring floodlight camera is blinking or flashing unexpectedly, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact fixes that you need to take in order to basically fix this particular problem. Now, first of all, you need to identify the lighting pattern. Different blinking patterns means different problems. So if you see the flashing light as white color, it usually means that the setup is there or Ring doorbell is trying to connecting. If the light is blue, it simply means that the firmware update is in progress. If the flashing light is on and off randomly, it simply means that there is power or connection related issue. So before trying to fixing anything, you need to simply observe the pattern. It tells you what's wrong. Now, if the blinking light is blinking randomly, unstable power is often the reason. So you can just simply check the wiring connections, transformer or the power source, and the voltage supply. The loose wires or the voltage drops can cause the camera to restart repeatedly, which looks like blinking. Now, if your camera keeps flashing white, it may be stuck trying to reconnect. This usually happens when the Wi-Fi is weak or settings are incorrect. So you can just simply move your router closer to the camera. You can also use the 2.4 gigahertz network. You can also try restarting your router. Once the connection stabilizes, the blinking should stop. Now, if the camera flashing blue for too long, it may be stuck during an update. So in this particular situation, you just have to just wait for at least 10 to 15 minutes. If it doesn't stop, you can just simply restart the device. For that, you just have to simply press the restart button and then wait for at least 1 to 2 minutes. After restart, simply check if the issue continues. If blinking continues, you can press and hold the setup button for about 15 seconds, then wait for the device to reset. Afterwards, you can set it up again from the Ring application. This also clears most of the persistent issues. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.